welcome to my channel. Right, look at this. We have to twist this one like this. No, nothing is there. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my Christmas tree unwrapping, and I have ordered this one from Amazon. The 6 feet tall tree. Let's see whether it's 6 feet or lesser than that. But there must be a lot of work, but I don't think so. Together. I don't know why, but I don't like to see any user manual. But look at this. We have to twist this one like this. Stand like this on floor. Okay, here at this point I have got one opening. I will show you from the back cam. You can see it till the top.